This is the PSYBooks Custom Forms tool that we're building now. This panel right here is the editor pane where you're going to actually create your form. Everything over here in blue, these are all your tools. They're all draggable. You just drag them over here to add them to your form. So what we're going to do is build a standard intake kind of form. So I'll drag a heading over first and say intake agreement, and I'm going to put it in the center. And then I want another heading that has the therapist's name, and for that PSYBooks has variables that you can use. We have provider variables, recipient variables, and also custom variables that you make yourself. Here's a standard, please note that I do not return blah blah blah. A lot of us have things like that. So, but for this one, we just need the provider name. So I'll drag it down here, put it here, and I want to make it smaller, so I'll make it an H3. I also want to put it in the center, so I'll do it like that. Now, notice that right now it still says the variable name, which is provider name, but when this is previewed or sent to your client, it will actually have your name there. In other words, it goes to our database and pulls out the information. So let's go ahead and start with our form now. We'll pull over a paragraph tab, and I'm just going to paste in a paragraph from an intake form I use. And you know, most of the time we need more than one paragraph, so let's do another one, and I'll just use the same text. Okay, now, so our form is getting longer. Notice that the tools on the left go with you as you scroll so that they're always available, which is handy. So let's now make the box at the bottom that says I agree. So we say we're going to use a checkbox for this. I agree to these terms. And then the options are yes or no. And we do create. And we've made that now. Okay, let me show you how you would use those custom variables because they're very cool. So let's just put another paragraph down here at the bottom, and we'll do show variables, custom variables, and here's the one, the standard notice. So we just grab the standard notice and put it down here, and then I'm going to go up and make it a smaller font size, and I'm also going to make it italic, and then I create, and here's our standard notice. And again, it is not parsed, but it will be when it's added. Notice that you can set default styles if you want your background color or font color to be different. You can upload graphics if you want to put your logo or something like that. This custom forms tool has a tremendous amount of flexibility. You can create select boxes, question and answers where they give you a small answer, question and answers where they can write as much as they want, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's it. Thank you.